Downloading your account data from Outlook 2026 can help you back up important information or transfer it to another application. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Open Outlook 2026. Launch the Outlook 2026 application on your computer. Ensure you are logged into the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the window. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings, then choose Account Settings again from the drop-down. Step 3. Export data. In the Account Settings window, click on the Data Files tab. Select the account you want to export data from, then click on Open File Location. This will open a folder where your Outlook data files are stored. Step 4. Copy the data file. Locate the PSD or AS file associated with your account. Right-click on the file and select Copy. Navigate to the desired location on your computer where you want to save the backup, then right-click and select Paste. Step 5. Confirm the download. Once the file is copied, navigate to the location where you pasted it to ensure the download is successful. You can now use this file for backup or transfer purposes. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from Outlook 2026. Make sure to keep your backup files in a secure location.